Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jubal's Car Vlogs. For today's video, we will review this 2024 Toyota Fortuner Q variant. It's the Q model that draws attention for the 2024 model. To give it a sporty appearance, it now boasts the LTD face. This can be the model for you if you like the way the LTD variation looks, but don't like the two-tone roof. It's important to note that the LTD's front end is available to the Q. The V slightly above base and entry-level G both keep their recognizable appearance. While the G remains unchanged from the previous model, the V comes equipped with new features including a 360-degree view camera, wireless Apple CarPlay, and an upgraded touchscreen. A data communication module is included with every Fortuner for the 2024 model, which enables it to link to the MyToyota link application. So kung napapansin natin dito, yung mukha ni Q variant is parang naka-LTD na. So nakabaon na yung Toyota emblem. Means this is the only a little model update. The drivetrain and engine remain the same. The 2.4-liter turbodiesel engine in the G and V produces 400 Nm of torque and 148 horsepower. So meanwhile, the 2.8-liter engine continues to be used in the Q, LTD, and the GRS variants, producing 500 Nm of torque and a 201 horsepower. Okay, so yung color po nito is gray metallic. So kung napapansin niyo yung mugs niya is yung nasa LTD. And then meron ditong slim fender. Yung side mirror naka body color, tapos may signal repeater, tapos naka 360 na yung camera. Alright. Yung door handle is naka chrome, tapos keyless entry, and naka push start button. So sa likod may slim fender, tapos naka ventilated disc brake. So yung mags niya at saka yung wheels is parang sa LTD. Same din dito sa likod guys. I think for the previous model, ito yung nasa V, no? Sa Q at saka sa Legender or LTD. So dito sa likod, yung signature ng LTD, nandito na din. Merong 4 sensors. Ayan. Merong piano finish na black accent. And yung rear camera. Tapos may Fortuner dito, which I believe this is the signature also of LTD. Naka-black. Tapos yung Toyota emblem. And then meron din yung spoiler. Yung third brake light. And then naka-shark fin yung antenna. Suspension niya sa front naka-double wishbone. And sa rear is na multi-link yung suspension niya. So if you have observed the look and feel of the 2024 Toyota Fortuner Q variant is parang LTD talaga siya. But meron na siyang noticeable na difference if alam mo yung mukha ni LTD dun sa headlight. Dito tayo sa cabin. Dito sa side, of course naka leather yan. And then yung lahat ng windows naka full automatic. May chrome accent dito. Yung lock and lock. Control ng windows. And adjustment ng side mirror. Naka-electronic na din yung seat adjustment sa driver. At the same time doon sa passenger. So naka-leather. Naka-full leather yung mga seats. Very excellent. And executive look yung leather. So meron ditong speaker din. And cup holder sa gilid. Pasok tayo. So sa front fascia, I believe this is still the same doon sa previous model. Meron mga controls din dito sa steering wheel. Sama na din yung cruise control. Yung screen display. Yung accent pala dito guys sa cabin is combination of silver. No? So naka-LED yung ilaw dito. Sunglasses holder. Tapos yung container for your drinks, no? It will serve as a small refrigerator. Of course, yung lagayan ng gamit dito. And then yung control ng AC. So I believe this Q variant has the wireless charging dito. Pwede ka makapag-charge dito wirelessly. Meron cup holders, dalawa. And parang may wood accent dito. No? Yung fascia dito sa shifter. Malapit sa shifter. Automatic transmission. So meron pala itong Eco and Smart mode. Pwede mo i-activate. So I believe it is also true to the previous model. And even the other variants of Fortuner. So manual yung handbrake. Yung center console naka-leather wrap. Combination of white stitching. Medyo malalim din yung yung lagay ng gamit dito sa center console. And of course, naka-leather wrap yung steering wheel with white stitching. Paddle shifter. Meron na din. Napakaganda guys yung quality ng leather. Ayan. At the back perspective. They have improved the Q variant from the previous model. Which I believe medyo meron ding konting increase ng price. So dito tayo sa passenger side. Of course, naka-leather yan. Merong may accent dito na silver matte finish. And naka-piano finish yung control ng windows. Speaker, tapos may cup holder. I think for this Q variant, yung pinakamalaking pinagbago nito is yung face niya. Which I believe sa cabin wala masyado, no? So I believe the Q variant for the previous model is still leather. So this is for the dashboard perspective, which I believe parang walang masyadong pinagbago dito sa cabin, no? So yung control ng AC, tapos yung cabin light, naka-halogen, tapos yung aircon vent dito, may holder dito for the passenger. Meron din dito ang 12 volts na socket, lagay ng gamit. Napakaganda ng quality ng leather. Meron ditong center console and meron ding dalawang cup holders. Pero yung ko lang talaga dito sa Fortuner, no, even in the other brands or variants, is yung style talaga nila sa third seat, no. It's up until now is nasa side pa din yung pag fold ng third seat. So dito tayo sa passenger side. Yan, may speaker. Of course, yung safety and security, meron na siyang pre-collision system, lane departure alert, meron na din siyang adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitoring, also rear cross traffic alert. So sa airbag, meron sa driver, sa front passenger, sa side, and curtain shield, and of course a knee. So medyo marami din yung ano dito, airbags. So meron siyang naka-abs na siya, anti-lock brake system. Meron na siyang vehicle stability control, hill start assist control, and yung immobilizer. And yung camera niya naka 360. By the way, yung price po pala nito is 2,189,000 pesos SRP with the 20% down payment for this January 2024, 192,000 pesos. For 24 months, 97,703. And then for 36 months, 68,743. 48 months, 54,353. And 60 months, 45,889. Subject pa din yan for bank approval. You can look for Miss Florence Quijano with its contact number flashed on screen for test drive or any reservation. Special thanks po pala sa Toyota Lapu-Lapu City branch for allowing us to have a review of this unit, the 2024 Toyota Fortuner Q variant. Of course guys, sa pearl white na color, meron yang additional 15,000 pesos. So I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe you will consider this as one of your choices in choosing SUV. Thank you guys and God bless. See you in the next video.